Hello everyone, Cactus190706 here. Now I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to vote, and I am about to reveal the engine that you chose to be steam engine. The first choice was A. The second one was B. And finally, the third one was C. And the winner is... Well, it looks like that the winner is C. Now I am about to show you a special preview of steam engine in action.
More scrap metal for the steelworks.
I wonder if this scrap metal used to be stinky steamies. Ha 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 ha.
That's it, Diesels. Go on. Laugh. Laugh away. Laugh while you still can, because believe you me, soon we will be the ones laughing, and yous will be the scrap metal going to the steelworks. And steam will rise again! And don't think for 1 minute that you're off the hook either. You befriended those Diesels when they came to your railway. They destroyed us. Most of my class died. And they come to your railway and you just befriend them. You make me sick. Steam engines and Diesels should never be friends. But those Diesels will pay. You mark my words, and so will you.